Are you curious about the different types of businesses and how they operate? This video will guide you through various business sectors, types, and legal structures. Discover how each plays a crucial role in the economy. The business world is divided into four main sectors. The primary sector involves extracting natural resources. The secondary sector focuses on manufacturing and construction. The tertiary sector provides services, while the quaternary sector deals with knowledge-based services. Each sector is vital for economic growth. The primary sector is all about natural resources. It includes agriculture, fishing, and mining. These businesses provide raw materials for other industries. They are essential for manufacturing and construction. Their role in the economy is foundational. In the secondary sector, raw materials become finished products. This includes manufacturing and construction. Car and clothing manufacturers are examples. This sector transforms resources into consumer goods. It is a key driver of economic development. The tertiary sector is service-oriented. It includes banks, hotels, and airlines. This sector is the largest in developed countries. It connects consumers with services. Its growth reflects economic advancement. The quaternary sector focuses on knowledge services. It includes research and development. Businesses here require specialized skills. They drive innovation and technological progress. This sector is crucial for a modern economy. Businesses can be for-profit or not-for-profit. For-profit businesses aim to generate profit for owners. Not-for-profit businesses focus on social missions. NGOs operate independently from governments. Micro-businesses and SMEs are also key players. For-profit businesses aim to earn money. They distribute profits to shareholders. Examples include retail and manufacturing companies. These businesses drive economic growth. Their primary goal is financial success. Not-for-profit businesses serve community needs. They focus on social or charitable missions. Examples include charities and community groups. They rely on donations and grants. Their aim is to benefit society, not earn profits. NGOs drive societal and environmental change. They address social and environmental issues. Examples include Greenpeace and Amnesty International. They operate globally for humanitarian causes. NGOs are vital for societal change. Micro-businesses have fewer than 10 employees. They serve local communities. Often run by single owners, they fill niche markets. These businesses are agile and adaptable. They are essential for local economies. SMEs are vital for job creation and innovation. SMEs employ between 10 and 250 people. They are privately owned and serve specific markets. SMEs contribute significantly to job creation. They drive innovation and economic diversity. These businesses are crucial for economic health. National businesses operate within one country. Multinational businesses have a global reach. They have offices in multiple countries. These businesses impact global trade and economy. Their operations are complex and expansive. Businesses can be sole traders, partnerships, or companies. Sole traders have full control and liability. Partnerships share responsibilities and profits. Companies offer limited liability to owners. Each structure has unique benefits and risks. A sole trader owns and runs their business. They have complete control and responsibility. Profits are theirs alone, but so are risks. This structure suits small businesses. It offers simplicity and direct management. Partnerships involve two or more owners. They share profits and responsibilities. Each partner is personally liable for debts. This structure is common in professional services. It encourages collaboration and shared expertise. Limited companies are owned by shareholders. They offer limited liability protection. Shareholders are not personally liable for debts. This structure suits larger businesses. It provides a separate legal identity. Public limited companies can sell shares to the public. They are owned by shareholders. This structure allows for raising capital. Shareholders have limited liability. It is suitable for large-scale operations. Social enterprises aim for social impact. They reinvest profits into their mission. These businesses balance profit and purpose. They often partner with charities. Their goal is community benefit. Business objectives vary by type and structure. Goals can include revenue growth or social impact. Strategies must align with market needs. Businesses tailor plans to their strengths. Understanding objectives guides success. Understanding business types and structures is essential. It shapes how businesses operate and achieve goals. By knowing these fundamentals, you can better navigate the business world.